situated in isolation and surrounded by swamps in Taylor County, Florida, is a munition and pyrotechnics manufacturing plant. It is located at 10625 Bucket Road in Perry, Florida. The land was purchased from Bucket Brothers Incorporated in 1968 by Martin Electronics. Founded in 1954, at their Perry plant, they produced pyrotechnic devices such as fragmentation hand grenade fuses, ammunition, flares, demolition charges, pyrotechnic marking devices, and other explosive devices. Due to the volatile and highly explosive nature of their products and lack of proper employee training, there were numerous accidents at the plant that resulted in many injuries and deaths. One of these deaths was Gregory Loren Glombofsky. Greg was just 18 years old when he lost his life in a tragic accident at Martin Electronics Incorporated. An accident that resulted from no proper training. Chemring Ordnance purchased the plant around 2008. Nordic Ammunition Company purchased the plant around 2019. I personally worked at this plant and saw a lot of the lack of training and overworking of employees, as Martin Electronics tried to fill contracts at the cheapest investment, whatever the cost and risk to employees. Current employees tell me things have greatly improved over the years. There is also another munitions plant located in Taylor County, Florida.